analysis we did this week, before the end of the day, we are actually still okay, right? We called GDP JPY 2 days ago. It went well. We called Euro JPY yesterday. It went well. And all the analyses are actually there. Okay, good morning all. Let's quickly take a look at the fundamentals for today first of all. Okay, so across board today, some news are already out. Yeah, today is Friday, 17th. Yeah, so first news. Okay, we have some speeches, and most of these speeches I posted some of them on the group already, stating that the US will keep hiking the interest rates back in March and in June. So that also means dollar will be strong for the time being, okay, until stated otherwise. Then we have the retail sales already out. Okay, I think the Bank of Canada also gave a speech. Australia also gave a speech, and around 8 o'clock, just from a few minutes ago, we have the retail sales coming up positive for the pound, coming out way above forecast, both for year over year and month over month. Okay, for the pound. Then Euro PPI came out as well, but it's medium impact news though. But it actually came out positive. But for me, it's negative because the actual is still below the previous, unlike for the case of pound. So if you ask me, the pound is stronger than the euro. All right, so we already have a pair as we speak, looking at these fundamentals right now. So fundamentally, I'll be looking at Euro GBP sell instead. All right, for today. And I can use my spending order. Remember the last time I analyzed, our analysis went well from 0.88, TP was 0.89. Now it's hitting 0.89, and the fundamentals states that the market should sell. Now the best thing to do is you use a pending order instead of just jumping on the sell. All right, you can choose a pending order at 0.8902. Yes, that can be your sell stop. Then your stop loss can be around 0. Some 30 pip stop loss will not be bad, 0.893. So you can go to H1 to see that properly. Okay, so you can use a stop loss above this high, 0.89. Okay, 0.892 will not be bad. 0.892 will not be bad as a stop loss. Okay, 0.892. Then you can just for today's sake, you can move your take profit to 0.885, which is not too far away. Yeah, 50% retracement. But the market seems to still be rallying up. Okay, showing that euro is still strong. But another news that will be coming out today, because since the dollar is still very strong, there is no way you start looking for a sell side to the dollar. It's wrong. Don't be in a hurry to start buying Euro USD or start buying gold. There has to be at least a fundamental data that will help you take the retracement. And I think we have a few of them today, later today around 2:30. The export price month over month for January. Okay, and also, yeah, the export price for year over year for January as well. Now, the year over year forecasting, it was 5%, so the forecasting it dropped to 3% for the exports. And for the imports, it was 0.4%. They're also forecasting a negative for the imports, 0.2. All right, so around that time, if we are seeing, if the news was to come out negative, we'll start seeing a build-up of a sell formation on the DXY, which is the dollar index. But currently, I'm not seeing that happening. That's why I'm anticipating a retracement at least, okay, on the DXY today, so around, if not 104. Yeah, 104. I anticipate a drop to It has tested where I want to sell from, around 104.5. Okay, it has not properly tested. So I still see DXY testing that key level. 104.5 is the mid number. And then before I anticipate a retracement to 104, which is a key level, but I prefer it drops to 103.8. So if the euro is already strong based on the news, pound is strong. So the pairs I want to see retracement in today around that time is, you see, dollar is too strong, so the news is not affecting GU. So as at that time, I want to buy GU as at that time. So instead of jumping on a buy now, a pending order will not be bad at 1.195 for GU, and my TP could be 1.04, 1.204. The stop loss could just be 19, yeah, just below this low, 1.19, 1.1910, 1.1910. Yes, that would be my stop loss. Let me take that down for GU. Okay, so
what pending order would do?
For GU, that is if dollar was to lose strong around 230, I'll be buying around. So I'll be buying, my pending order will just be above this last structure here. Pending order 1.1956. If it's going to keep selling, your trade does not trigger, which makes it beautiful. The stop loss, my take profit is 1.204. My stop loss is 1.191. That's my stop loss for GU. I'll take that again. Entry is 1.1956. Stop loss is 1.191. Then take profit is 1.204 for today. Once you're in profit and sure to break even, then my Euro USD too, I'll be looking for a buy side. Now, I will not want to join the buy. Now, rather, I'll prefer a pending order as well, so that the market is going to keep dropping before the news outcome in the afternoon. I will not be taken out with a stop loss. So I prefer to join at 1.0645 for EU. My entry is 1.0645. My stop loss is around just below this low, 1.062. All right, let that be my stop loss. My take profits. Take profits would be 1.069. 1.069. That would my take profit for GU. It's Friday. I will not want to trade much. All right. The lesser the amount of trades you are in, the better for you. I will not want to buy gold until it tests 1820. So I'll still want a little more drop on gold at 1820 before I will want to buy gold. I remember I told those who were buying that time not to continue to buy. Okay, so those are my outlooks for today. I know China is looking at a buy on GDP pound. I think there's also a news on the pound pair. The same time, 230. So raw material price. Now it might be a low impact news, but that can actually drive your GDP. Your GDP cards to buy. Yes, no, the GDP card. China posted GDP card on the WhatsApp group for a buy.
Yeah.
Right, pound has already strengthened, and now all the forecast for the PMI, the PPI, is all showing negative for January year over year. Previous was 7.6, forecast is 6.8. Now, if that comes out negative below the forecast, it means GDP card will buy at that time. To be better to buy that time. So you might be expecting some range this morning. Even the raw material price as well for card, both year over year, month over month for the January, is also showing like it's going to drop. Okay, so if that happens, GDP card will also be a very good buy. But like we all know, I prefer trading the USD pairs. Okay, so I would rather wait on my GU buy instead of joining the card GDP card buy. Okay, So
Yeah.
don't be surprised the market is ranging now. Okay. So any other person we're looking at any other person we're taking a look at
Yes.
any
Good
pair you
morning.
want us to take a look at.
Yeah. Good morning, first.
Good morning,
Yeah.
Darlington.
Before
Okay, good morning, Darlington.
before I point out my pair, I want to you're considering this low
Okay,
impact
I
and
have to stop the recording for now. So